Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GrapeCoin. Now the GrapeCoin just recently got a brand new central exchange listing, actually a couple different central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the GrapeCoin, ticker symbol GRAPE, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find listed on CoinGecko, first of all. If you're looking for it, they have the contract address, they have the Binance Smart Chain BSC scan on here. Token price today is around 6.3 cents. Name of the token is GrapeCoin, ticker symbol GRAPE. This token just got listed on a couple different central exchanges. It got listed on KUCOIN, BYBIT, and BitGet. So if you're looking to get this token, you could download KUCOIN or BYBIT or BitGet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. That's what it's paired with on all three of those central exchanges. And then simply just buy the GrapeCoin. So you would search Grape in the trade section and then trade your USDT for it. Now, you can also get it off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the GrapeCoin using the contract address that you can find on CoinGecko, or you can find it on their webpage, JOINGRAPES.com, or their BSC scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that here in a second. On CoinGecko, you can find their webpage, joingrapes.com. You can also find a full link tree, and the link tree is also linked on their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual, at joingrapes on Twitter or x.com. They also have a Discord, an Instagram. There's all sorts of links in that link tree that you could find there. There's a link to their OpenSea where you can buy and sell and trade NFTs. Check out the Grape NFTs, and then they also have their webpage. They have a button that says Harvest, and then they also have a Discord group that you could join as well, and it looks like a TikTok as well. So tons of socials, tons of links, all sorts of different things you could do on this webpage here. Now, their webpage, which is, let's see here, joingrapes.com, that has tons of links over there. If you go over to their webpage, you can find links to their tons of NFTs. They have all sorts of different pages and stuff that you can click on their webpage. So they can connect your wallet to the page. If you click on info, you can go over meet the founders, advisors, frequently asked questions, privacy policy, get GrapeCoin, get Grape NFTs, harvest grapes. Then we have community section that's all filled with their socials. Then we have the ecosystem that has the Grape Gallery, OpenSea, Blur, harvesting, get GrapeCoin, and that was for pre-sale. And then it says more fun coming soon. They also have a home section here. So it says, we're in Grape Company, play on words. Howdy, partners. It says, bid farewell to creative isolation and embrace the power of collective creation. Get digital collaborations. This is our thing. and a bridge to bringing together a global network of talents, breaking down barriers, and unlocking new realms of possibilities in the digital landscape. We are the Grapes. Welcome to the home of grapes. Embark on your journey into the world of grapes today. Join our community, explore our fantastic mobile games, dive into Roblox, and discover the perfect grape to add to your digital collection. Embark on a journey where digital ownership transcends the virtual realm. Play, collect, and level up your experience with grapes and be part of a community that believes in the tangible benefits and digital ownership for the better of our community. And they show you some merch here. It says, get the grapes merch. Take your love for grapes beyond the screen with our forthcoming range of limited edition collectibles, products, and merchandise. Don't just be part of the crew, be a captain with style. Dive into the digital emporium. Deck yourself out in grape chic fashion. Your journey to grape excellence begins now. So they have like hats, shirts, stuffies, all sorts of stuff. Tons of info on their page here. So if you want to click on Get NFTs, it'll take you to OpenSea. You can check out their collection here. Now, if you click on Get GrapeCoin, it takes you to, I think, where they had their pre-sale. So the pre-sale is ended now, and now it's listed on all those exchanges that I mentioned earlier. So it says, massive thanks. Grapes is a cross-media, family-friendly entertainment IP that transcends Web3 with gaming, TV products, and licensing at the heart. Our community is the lifeblood of grapes. As a member of our community, this is your chance to be a part of our continuing growth and success. At the very bottom of their page, they have an insane amount of links as well. They have links to all their partners like Annie Mocha, Cool Cats, Mochaverse, The Sandbox, etc. Then they have tons of games that you could play. So this is like a gaming ecosystem where they have Grape Run, Grape Solitaire, Grape Juice, Juice Tycoon, Grape plus Roblox. Then they have Get Grapes. So it says buy GrapeCoin, buy on Blur, and buy on OpenSea. And then they have the Grapes Gallery, the founders, our advisors, and frequently asked questions. So some of the frequently asked questions are about the NFTs. So they have a collection of 3,333 crafted NFTs. The NFT utility has come a long way since 2021, and grape holders will be rewarded in the commercial success of both ventures in and outside of Web3, and this is what makes it so exciting. It's a new revolutionary space. What blockchain are the grapes NFTs on? It says Ethereum blockchain ERC-721. Why would you buy a grape NFT? Who is behind grapes? Like, what is the team? Where do I go to harvest? So basically, harvest is staking your grapes. So when they say harvesting, that's just staking. And yeah, then you could just go through all the rest of the frequently asked questions if you like. And it says you could sell your grapes in bunches, or it says bunches are not for sale. They will remain in your wallet connected to the harvesting page. So you can check that out as well. This is all stuff in the frequently asked questions. But go check out joingrapes.com. Check out the social right there. It has all, check out their x.com, has all of their link tree and all that stuff there. Tokens listed on CoinGecko, just got listed on KUCOIN. Tons of different central exchange listings. I'm sure more will be coming in the future. Get it off PancakeSwap if you like. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? What do you think about GrapeCoin? Leave a comment. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.